Quiano, rocking the Elizabeth basketball hoodie, St. Peter's keychain. Go on, girl, show your thing. Oh, here comes Jay rocking the all black white beater with the gray and orange basketball shorts. In the latest fashion. Here they go again. You guys can purchase this from Nike, from Elizabeth in New Jersey. Rocking the Adidas. And here comes Jay walking down the runway, rocking a purse by Coach. Bought by Danielle Caminici. Sorry, I stole it. Love you. Darius playing basketball, which is a part of the program. And Quiano rocking the G2 Gatorade. The new in all stores. Find at your local Rite Aid, CVS, or Walgreens. Here comes Jay now rocking the all roasted honey peanuts. Go on, girl, do your thing. Ooh, eat that peanut. Quiana again rocking the blue, very aqua blue piggy bank owned by yours truly, Dale. And that's it for today, folks. See you next time on Model 101 College Life.
That's the